Hello guys. Right, it's the Ed Shed. I haven't done anything for a few days. For the simple reason is I am fed up. I am fed up with struggling with this goddamn 2+2. And the reason I'm fed up is lots of things. It's just, I don't know, sort of just life, I suppose, and this COVID and all the stuff that makes you, and the fact that you're struggling on your own with this, and it's just massive. Everything's just hard. And when you get on, it's hard. It takes you a day to get over the day you've done some work. So I've been getting a bit fed up with it. And normally, when I get fed up with a car, I've got to get it out and I just want to do it something else. I want to do another car, something more interesting. And this is sort of set myself this impossible chance to get it done for the E Type 60th in June, which I could do, and I'm going to really try and do, but I'm sort of at that point where I'm getting so disillusioned with this E Type that I just want to get it down, get it driving, get it out, because I am physically fed up with it and I'd like to do something else. Now, everyone says, well, yeah, but you don't finish any car. Well, I do finish them, but I don't get them all finished because it's too much. When you're do something every day to something, fine, but sometimes you just better off to think about planning something. And I'm sort of saying that, yeah, I do sit looking at the car, and I do love the car. I love it. It's one of my favourites. E-Type's my favourite. Series 1 Roadster, my favourite. And I don't know why that, this one is becoming such an ordeal, but it has become an ordeal, and as such, I'd like to get it out of my shed. I'd like to get my Aston Martin back and fix my back brakes, or do my cylinder head, or just do something else, or do the V8, the little Tiger, or do something. I mean, I just finished the Mark 1 interior off, but I mean, it's sort of hard because, as I say, on your own, you get, with one car's okay, but I mean, my problem is with having too many. And I've got shed loads up there, and they all eat away at me. And I keep thinking about getting the Daimler Dart out, because I don't know why. I keep thinking the Daimler Dart, get the Daimler Dart out. And then I look at the TR4 and think, well, I wouldn't put that together. And then I look at the shed full of cars and think, I'd like to drive one. And then I think, I can't be bothered. So this is just a Moan video, really, just to get it off my chest, just to say that if I do slow down a little bit, don't blame me, because it's just I'm struggling with motivation, enthusiasm. Enthusiasm's there. I still love my cars, so otherwise I'd be big for sale, closing down. But yeah, at the minute I'm going to just keep plodding on slowly, and as I said, if I get the brakes finished, then I'll get them bled, then I can get it down on its wheels again, and then I can get it running, and then I can get it to move, and if it moves, then that'll maybe give me a fresh impetus to get some of the paintwork done, because I hate paintwork and I don't like filler, and I'm not looking forward to doing that at all. So anyway, if you enjoyed that, if you didn't, well, sorry guys, I just wanted to get off my chest, and I think it's only fair, don't you? So talk to you soon. Bye.